The RapidWave4000 automated advanced cable tester quickly performs all required electrical and signal integrity tests to ensure perfect cables every time. It can be configured only for production testing, or it can also be configured for advanced signal integrity testing, for use by quality assurance and engineering personnel. The RapidWave4000 is a production cable tester for high-speed USB Type-C, HDMI 2.1, and other cables. It quickly tests cables for continuity, DC resistance, quiescent current, and E-marker read. It also performs pass-fail insertion loss testing. Detailed pass-fail test reports are automatically saved. The RapidWave4000 may also be used by quality assurance and engineering personnel to understand root cause of failed cables and identify corrective actions faster. By using the same instrument that is used in production testing, production issues are resolved faster and production costs are reduced. The RapidWave4000 automated production cable tester meets the demanding test requirements of USB Type-C, HDMI 2.1, and other cables with transfer rates up to 48 gigabits per second.